Okay, hey folks, Terry Brown here, and I want to thank you so much for taking a few moments to check out this video today. And I've got some exciting information that I want to share with you. We're introducing unlimited certificates. Unlimited Certificates is a leading travel incentive company that offers the largest selection of incentive products. And someone may ask, why use incentives? And the answer is because they work. And you see, we are dedicated to providing top quality incentives for all businesses. Through the use of our incentives, we help our clients in all areas of their business, such as sales, customer retention, employee improvement, dedication, marketing related efforts, and any other area needing a boost. Another question that may be asked is, how can we offer these incentives? Well, it's very simple. Hotels, travel companies, cruise lines, restaurants, and other establishments contract with our company in order to provide these incentives. And they offer these incentives to get people to use their services and see what they have to offer. And this builds brand loyalty. Now we've got something exciting going on right now. It's a $1 down promo, and it's going to be ending soon. And so we don't want you to miss out. Now, when I say it's going to be ending soon, it's not to get you to just move quickly, but if you really want to experience what we have to offer, then you do want to act on it, because I really don't know. And I honestly do not know how long this promo is going to go. Okay. And that is the honest to goodness truth. All right. Now, Unlimited Certificates has upgraded their platform, and we're excited for you to be a part of our expansion. So again, you can start today for $1, and this is $1 for the first month, and you can test drive our new system. And so we invite you to experience a successful future by investing $1 for the first month. And get this, you can print as many certificates as you like. And we have a few hundred certificates that to choose from. So this is absolutely exciting. Again, you can test drive the system and see if this is something that you can use for your business. Again, for things like sales and customer retention and employee improvement, dedication, marketing related efforts, and any other area needing a boost. But there you have it. I'm Terry Brown. Oh, before I do go, I'm going to leave a link to my webpage, and to access the information for unlimited certificates, go to link number 10 on that page. You'll see it. Link number 10. Okay. Access the information. Get signed up for the $1. Test out this amazing, amazing system. Okay. And again, now I don't know how long it's going to go, but right now the promo is still going. So if you're interested, lock it in. Lock it in for $1, and you can unsubscribe at any time. There you have it. I'm Terry Brown. I'm wishing you a blessed and amazing day today. Bye bye now.